Alright, this right here is one of our brand new 6-inch Gen 1 downlights with EBU. The EBU and driver is one unit, as you can see here. It is CC tunable with a CCT range of 2700K to 5000K with a selector lever on the side for 5 different levels between those ranges. There's been a change on the cover for the wiring compartment. It's no longer 2 separate pieces secured with a screw. It now has a hinge, so there's less loose parts during installation. And within the actual fixture itself, there's all the hardware you need for wiring, which is 4 wire caps. And when you purchase this, you'll also receive a brochure which has all the instructions for installation as well as a wiring diagram at the bottom. So when you're installing this, you have 2 different options. You can install it with a switch or without a switch in constant hot mode. There are 4 separate wires here. The white is the neutral, the black is the constant hot, the black with a white stripe on it is your switch hot, and then the green here is your ground. So for an example on how to wire this in a constant hot format, you'd want to take the switch hot and the constant hot and connect them together with the hot that you'll be connecting to the wall, instead of having them as 2 separate power sources with a switch connecting to a switch that's the power. So I'll go ahead and show you that right now. I connected both the hots together. Now I'll go ahead and hook it up as it would be hooked up when you're installing it. The hot, neutral, and ground going to an external source. The connector for the light here, you'll see 2 separate arrows to show where they match up. That way you don't bend any pins. Connect them together, and when you hook this up, come on. As you can see in operation, you can change the CCT on the go with the selector lever. And as you can see, that's how this unit works.